guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited. I just got the Doterra Harmony kit in. Oh my god, look at this. This is so beautiful, so amazing. It says the 3 brand new essential oils from the Mother's Day kit this year for 2018 Mother's Day. Oh my god, I am so excited. So this is basically 3 new oils, and you can also make your own perfume blend. So it comes with everything to make perfume blends. So this is like an aroma handcraft collection little booklet. It gives you like little recipes of like different blends that you can do to make your own essential oils. So this is like the cutest thing ever. Look at this. So cute. So it has the 3 oils. It's got 2 roller balls, and then it's got these little pieces for making the solution. I'm not really sure how this works, but we're going to figure it out, I guess. Oh my goodness, so great. So I'm going to share with you guys the essential oils that come in this kit. I won't dive into the perfume side making. I'm just going to talk purely about the 3 oils and how you can use them in your daily life. So it comes with green mandarin, star anise, and then pink pepper. Oh, you guys, I'm so excited. What are your guys' favorite essential oils? Which ones are you most excited about? Because I'm excited about all 3, but honestly, star anise is like, oh my god, my favorite. They smell so amazing already. So first we're going to dive into the first oil, but before we dive into talking about all of these 3, please be sure to like this video if you guys are enjoying this so far, and also don't forget to subscribe down below so you don't miss any more essential oil videos that I come out with. So let's talk about my favorite one first, the star anise. So I don't know about you guys, but like whenever I go to like a trade show or a farmer's market and I see the anise seed soap, I'm like all up in that. Oh, I love star anise. Oh my goodness. So anise is so amazing for you. So this specific oil, the star anise, is one that can be safely taken internally. Also, there is another type of anise, the Japanese anise, but you can't actually internally take that one. It's super poisonous. So I was doing some research on this specific oil, and I found a lot of interesting studies about you got to be really sure on where you're getting your purity and your potency from, and where your oils are coming from, because a lot of companies will mix the anises together, and you obviously don't want to be taking just any essential oil. That's why people like me and other doTERRA consultants educate about the quality and purity of their essential oils. So it's just a little tidbit fact for you guys. But star anise, so this specific oil, doTERRA star anise, their new oil, this is one of the main ingredients in the Digest Zen essential oil that doTERRA has. So if you haven't used that before, or if you have, you'll be familiar with it, but it actually is one of the main ingredients in that essential oil. So this is just a pure form of just the star anise that goes into Digest Zen. So this oil can be used, like I said, internally. So you can use it in a lot of cooking recipes. So you'll find it in a lot of like pho, however you want to say it, pho or pho. You can put it into stir fries. You can make delicious desserts with it. I saw an amazing creme brulee recipe which sounded amazing. So you can cook with this essential oil. You can drink it just straight. So drinking it just internally with some water is super great for your health. It is known for its amazing digestive aid. So star anise has forms like the fennel that comes in Digest Zen, where it is super great for your digestion, for helping with aiding in digestion and helping the digestive ailments that might be going on. So it also creates feelings of relaxation when you take it internally, and can also aid in cellular health and immune health as well. Also can be used as your after eating mint, so you can pop some of this in your mouth or just swish it around as a mouthwash to help sweeten up your breath. If you don't have like a toothbrush handy, just pop it in some water, swish it around, helps kind of give you some like freshening breath. Also, some studies show that it can help relieve a sore throat or a cough, can help alleviate those symptoms or those things that are going on, and also great for joint and muscle pain. So it can help to alleviate joint and muscle pain if you might be having some of that going on. Overall, just a beautiful oil for uplifting your mood, helping relaxation, helping aid digestion. It just, oh my god, you can smell it like through the bottle. Like, you guys just like pop this into the diffuser, pop it in some water, rub it in for a nice massage on your body. Like, it just smells incredible, and the benefits are so miraculous for this oil. Alright, next oil we're going to move into is pink pepper. So pink pepper is actually similar to black peppercorn, so it actually has the same kind of appearance, just it's actually a pinky color. So peppercorns, which I didn't actually know, are really closely associated to the cashew family, which I thought was really cool. So just a little more tidbits on each oil and how they come from and where they come from. So pink pepper, when it's taken internally, is really renowned for helping promote a healthy metabolism. So it helps aid in good metabolism, has the ability to support your metabolism when you take it internally, and also your overall immune health and immune system. Also, like the star anise, it can assist with cellular function and overall cellular health. So this is a very calming oil for the nervous system, so it can help aid in nervous feelings, helping bring down any feelings of tension or stress. It can help alleviate and assist with those symptoms that are going on. Also can support healthy blood sugar levels and cholesterol levels. So provided that your levels aren't super high or raised already, it can assist and aid in healthy levels that are already healthy at a normal level, and can just improve your overall metabolic and cellular health in that way. This is also a beautiful oil that you can add into a massage and apply to your body with some coconut oil, add a nice massage. It is beautiful to diffuse as well. Helps with like all of those feelings of a stressful, crazy day where you can just ease those feelings. And then of course you can take it internally, like I said, just dilute this in some water. All of the dilution and internal usages are on the actual bottle of the Doterra essential oil, so you can follow along really, really easily. And of course, people like me or Doterra are always here to answer questions if you're not sure on how you could be using this essential oil. But pop this in some water, drink this for a healthy metabolism, cholesterol levels, all of that good stuff I just talked about. So that is the pink pepper. Alright, and then the last one is green mandarin. So they brought out the red mandarin last year. Green mandarin is just another type of citrus fruit similar to the red mandarin. Smells equally as beautiful. Any citrus oil is just like, they just uplift your mood and make you feel so like, amazing. Like I can't explain it. Like wild orange and lime and bergamot, like they're just like those citrusy oils that are just like, oh, Pam, like you just feel on fire with them. Green mandarin is another oil that's known for its soothing properties on your immune health and on your cellular health, so it can help aid in those areas and assist your body in cellular function. It's also known for its support on the nervous system and supporting healthy digestion. So it is a great one for also having a great effect on your digestive, so it can help aid and assist in those areas. It may provide antioxidant support and help cardiovascular health when taken internally. So you can yet again read the descriptions on here and add some to your water, add some to a smoothie, add some to your tea, whatever you prefer to do. It's great to get in your body internally. You can also use a gel capsule as well. If you don't want to taste the oil, you can just take it internally right into your gut, and it will get into your body and have the same wonderful benefits that it does if you just drink it in water. Green mandarin is also a really amazing kitchen cleaner, household cleaner. Add this to some water in a spray bottle, put it on your counter, spritz it around. Super, super good for cleaning your counters. It smells so fresh. Citrus oils just smell amazing. Like just like lemon in the kitchen, mandarin in the kitchen. Like, oh, orange is delicious. But I guess a mandarin is technically not an orange, but it's close, right? So you can also, like I said, take this internally for supporting healthy immune function, cellular function. You can add this into your oral hygiene care routine as well. Really great for the health and look of your teeth and your gums. So adding that in, you can add it with your On Guard toothpaste, add it into your mouthwash. Simple things to just improve your beautiful smile. And lastly, use it in the diffuser because it can bring around positive emotional balancing. It's just such a beautiful, citrusy, amazing oil. These oils smell so good. Like citrus oils are the best oils on the planet. Like I'm just obsessed with them. Like they smell so good, and they seriously can like help so many amazing benefits to your body. So the only thing to be mindful of out of the 3 oils is green mandarin. Be really conscious if you're applying this to your body and you are going out into any UV sunshine. Because of this being a citrus oil, it does react with UV light and sun, so avoid tanning beds, avoid the outdoors if you are putting it on your skin, because you don't want that sun exposure to impact your skin, because it will cause burns because of the UV that's the way that it affects the citrus oil. So just be really careful if you're going outside. Make sure you cover that area up and that you don't have it exposed to the sunshine or to a tanning bed, just to avoid any burning. So that is the 3 oils. Star Anise, pink pepper, and green mandarin. They are the brand new essential oils that Doterra has never brought out, and they come in this beautiful little harmony kit. It is so gorgeous, you guys, and it is a limited time offer only. So released on April 17th, which was 2 days ago. I'm filming this video right away so I can get it up for you guys, so you guys can have a full review on these essential oils and how you can use them, so you can cash in and get them really quick, because they will be gone super fast. And you want to get them because they might not re-release again. So check these out. My link is down below, you guys, if you want to read up more on Doterra's little blip about each oil. And of course, if you guys feel like you want to purchase any oils, please be sure to use my link down below just to help a girl out. But of course, never any pressure, you guys. Just, I want to share with you guys these amazing oils and teach you about them, because seriously, they are so amazing. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please be sure to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe down below, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.